What's up, everyone? Welcome back. So after a morning of sifting through crap here and getting on to our work, if anyone wants to know what I mean by that, inbox me or message me on this video and I'll explain to you what sifting through crap and throw-ups is like. So now I'm on to this toe-in for a bad alternator and battery and some maintenance work. And I pull the oil dipstick and there's no oil on the stick. So this is that Subaru I was telling you about. And I'm shocked that the head gaskets aren't pissing oil out of it. So it's burning oil. And I'm just going to basically just say this. I'm recommending this product to everybody. Cheap oil is exactly that. It's cheap oil. The ad packs inside of there, if you don't know what ad pack is, that is the products they put in the oil to help clean and protect your motor. And some people put the minimum, if not less, in the cheaper products. So therefore, I don't really recommend that. So this product here has a lot of features and benefits. The ad pack's good in it. The clean and protect package is good in it, and I believe in this product. So if your engine's burning oil, and you've been going to Quick Lubes or the cheapest guy around or Walmart and you don't know what they're doing, or you have a coupon, if you have a coupon for an oil change, you really think they're putting the best oil in there with a 50% off coupon? They're not. And if you don't ask, they're just pumping in some cheap crap in your car. So, you know, educate yourself a little bit. If not, I'm having more of our customers who come in with oil consumption problems, shift gears, go with a full synthetic, the Valveoline Restore and Protect, and let's see if we can, you know, save this engine or slow down the oil consumption, or, you know, keep this customer from not having car payments for a long time. And if you don't know where to go to get it, you can call Rachel. Rachel's eating my lunch. Thanks for watching.